Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a marketer magic review, and we're going to be focusing on the feature that's going to allow you to get in contact with Fortune 500 companies, all right? So if you want to learn exactly how that's even possible, then stick with me throughout the rest of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve, all right? So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and minimize my camera, and we're going to get right into it. All right, so now that my camera is minimized, you can see we're inside of the Marketer Magic back office. So what we're gonna do right off the bat is we wanna go over here to the tabs, okay? So the one we wanna go to is we wanna go to Email Hunter. All right, so let me kind of just break this down for you. So in business, business is truly built on relationships, and it's really who you know. That's why you see, a lot of these successful people, they surround themselves. Look who they surround themselves with, right? And they find ways to, build relationships with these other people because opportunities come across, all the time. They always come across. So being able to, kind of rub arms with some of these people and build a relationship with them is going to benefit you in the long term, okay? So basically what the Email Hunter does is I could put in a domain name, I could put in a company name, and what it's going to do is the software is going to go out there and it's going to find all of the employees, the CEO, right? It's going to find all of that data for you. So think about how beneficial that is for you as a business owner. Now you're able to, let's just take this for example, right? Because this isn't more it is kind of business related, but let's say for instance, you're in the music industry, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to type interscope.com, right? Okay. So Interscope, so right off the bat, you can see interscope.com and there's 11 results there. So if I were to click on that, I would be able to get in contact with some of their leads. I may even find the CEO's information or whatever, right? I'll be able to get in contact with the people that I truly want to get in contact with. Right, so you got to think about how powerful this can be because yes, everybody's not going to open your email. Right? Or everybody's not going to respond. But just think about this like a numbers game, okay? Let's say for instance, you sent out, I don't know, 10 emails and maybe you get 2 to reply, right? If they're replying and you don't just want to pitch these people, like you want to actually, build that relationship with them, like provide them value. Right? See, when you put value up first, like you're finding a way to help them, then it's not like you're like everybody else, where it just feels like they're being pitched, or you just want them to help you or whatever, right? You got to reach out to these people professionally, most importantly, right? That's literally the most important thing, because if you do what everybody else is doing, it's not going to work. So it's up for you to find creative ways to reach out to these people, to get the assistance that you need, right? So that way you're not just spinning your wheels, right? So let me actually try this one. I've never tried this one here on, okay, so let's see, Facebook.com is showing 0 results for that. All right, so Facebook is keeping their stuff pretty secure. Let's try YouTube. All right, so YouTube. So literally 200 results for YouTube. So literally, let me actually go into this. This is actually pretty interesting. All right, so let's see. Right off the bat, okay, Scotty Mac, Billy, right? Rekka, John Everett is an associate broker for YouTube. Ernest Goldsmith, CMO Marketing. Just think about being able to get in contact with these top people. That's very beneficial, and if they actually reply to you, like you have a chance, it's best for you to not blow that chance by just trying to, just like, I guess you could say, just piss them, like just kind of go straight into business. Like try to build a relationship with those people because you never know the opportunities that could come across for you. Okay, so that is what the email hunter does. If you see benefit in this, I'll leave a link, the first link in the description, if you want to pick up Marketer's Magic and check out the rest of the series and see, the different, features that Marketing Magic has to offer and see how it'll be beneficial for your business. All right. So if you got some value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.